No, come on. Of course, it's the biggest, second biggest scandal. So the biggest scandal was when they spied on my campaign. They spied on my campaign. There's no real evidence of that. Yes, there is. It's all over the place. Leslie, they spied on my campaign and they kept going. Can I say something? You know, this is something.
Look at the fucking Yorkie.
Put on things we can't verify.
Hey man, cooling Yorkie. Aww. Taking it home. Going back for steak. I'm smelling the pain. Oh! You ain't get that?
Cat. Come on, boo boo.
Keep watching people. Sudden movement will make them.
Take a cut away, please. Yep. Where is he?
He's there. He's still there. I closed the door, man.
Okay, Coolio, come on.
Yeah,
Come
I
on.
closed it. You know, you should have door closed.
Yeah. Come on, boo boo. Oh.
It's a lot of nuts for you. No homo. What? He's trying to figure shit out.
Yeah, we are close to, but we're not hurting him, so be cool.
But you gonna turn your back while you eat? Oh, he's smart. He know how to crush that joint.
Yeah. Oh, look at him. So pretty.
He really like nuts. No homo.
When I was at my parents and we came visit, Nikki had one. Oh, look at that. Yeah, show me how you eat.
Show people. Turn around. Yeah.
Cat is inside.
Hater.
Yep.
He's hating.
Behind the glass.
Faggot.
See?
Squirrel murderer.
Oh. Look at how cute.
He
It is a little
us.
one.
You watching me.
It's still a baby.
He getting down.
Oh, he loves it. Look at that. But they can bite big.
Yeah. He broke it. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Please.
Oh, don't do that voice.
He's taking it home full. So he's making sure it's secure. See? Stop for a minute and pushed it further so you don't drop it.
Are you gonna come back? Can you tell your friends is here? Oh, that is the blacky one? Yup.
Oh, he here?
This is another one. That is another one.
Peepers is going crazy behind the door.
Come on. Come on. Don't be scared.
Well, that's not the same brown one. The other one was shinier.
No, that's a blacky one there.
Yeah. Wow.
Go between. I don't see them.